Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a resume. A resume is a document that outlines your work experience, education, and skills to potential employers. It's an essential tool in the job application process, as it helps employers understand your qualifications and determine if you're a good fit for the position. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps of creating a resume that will make you stand out and land you your dream job. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start creating your resume, gather all of the information you'll need. This includes your work experience, education, and any relevant skills or certifications. Make a list of your job titles, the companies you've worked for, your duties and responsibilities, and the dates of your employment. Also, make a list of your education, including the degrees you've earned, the schools you attended, and the dates of your attendance. Step 2. Choose a format. There are several different formats you can use to create a resume. The most common formats are the chronological, functional, and combination formats. The chronological format is best for those with a steady work history, while the functional format is best for those with gaps in their work history or those who are changing careers. The combination format is a combination of the two and is best for those with a mix of both. Step 3. Write your resume. Once you've chosen a format, it's time to start writing your resume. Begin with your contact information, including your name, address, phone number, and email address. Then, write a brief summary or objective statement that highlights your qualifications and the type of job you're seeking. Next, list your work experience, starting with your most recent job. Include your job title, the company you worked for, the dates of your employment, and a bullet point list of your duties and responsibilities. Be sure to include keywords relevant to the job you're applying for. Then, list your education, including the degrees you've earned, the schools you attended, and the dates of your attendance. You can also include any relevant coursework or honors. Finally, list any relevant skills or certifications you have. These might include computer skills, language skills, or professional licenses. Step 4. Proofread and edit. Once you've written your resume, it's important to proofread it for errors and make any necessary edits. Be sure to check for spelling and grammar mistakes, as well as formatting inconsistencies. Have someone else read it over as well, to ensure it's easy to read and understand. Step 5. Tailor your resume to the job. When applying for a job, it's important to tailor your resume to the specific job you're applying for. This means highlighting the skills and experiences that are most relevant to the position. You can also use keywords from the job listing in your resume to make sure it's picked up by applicant tracking systems, ATS. Step 6. Save and submit your resume. Once you've finished editing your resume, save it as a PDF or Word document, and then you can submit it with your job application. You should also save a copy of your resume on your computer, in case you need to update it in the future. And that's it. You now have a strong and effective resume that will help you stand out to potential employers. Remember to keep your resume updated and tailor it to the job you're applying for, and you'll be sure to land your dream job. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to create a resume. We hope you found it helpful. Good luck with your job search. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks.